Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Acer Aspire 1 D257-13478 replacement LCD screen. This 10.1-inch WSVGA LED diode display offers a maximum resolution of 1024 by 600. The brand, as expected, is Acer, and it connects through VGA, making it a straightforward choice for various setups. Now, let's talk about the display type. It's an LCD screen. The 10.1-inch size is quite fitting for a range of laptops, and the LED diode technology ensures vibrant and sharp visuals. The WSVGA resolution might not be groundbreaking, but it gets the job done for a screen of this size. Connectivity-wise, the VGA option provides flexibility, although some users might miss more modern options like HDMI. It's essential to note that this is a substitute replacement LCD screen, not an entire laptop. If you're looking to breathe new life into your Acer Aspire 1 D257-13478, this could be a cost-effective solution. In summary, the Acer Aspire 1 D257-13478 replacement LCD screen is a decent option for those in need of a screen refresh. The 10.1-inch size, WSVGA resolution, and VGA connectivity make it a practical choice for certain setups. If you're on a budget or simply looking for a straightforward replacement, this might be worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.